my dear students. Today I am here to teach you ICT lesson 11 to grade 10 ICT textbook. So, what is the fourth lesson in your textbook? That's called logic gates with Boolean functions. Communications happens in various ways among living beings in day-to-day life. I believe you know various examples. Okay, look at this picture. Now you can see drumming image. Drumming was used in the past as a method of communication. It is the most useful method in the past for communication. Now look at this image. A railway guard in a station blows a horn waving a green flag to signal that a train is going to leave. A green light should be there for the train to start, and if it is a red light, the signal is to stop. Look at this image. Now you can see money locker. Usually, two keys are used to open a safe and both keys are needed to open it. Now you can see another image. Before you start a journey in a car, all its doors should be closed properly. If at least one door is not closed properly, a light will be on or there will be a sound for the driver to signal it. When all the doors are closed, the signals will be stopped. Further, you should wear seat belts if you are seated in the front seats of a car. Otherwise, there will be a signal to indicate this. As we use signals in our day-to-day life to make decisions, the computer also uses signals. In this lesson, I hope to discuss following topics. Now you can see on the screen, first one is logic gates and second one basic logic gates. Third one combinational logic gates, and the fourth one designing logical circuits related to Boolean expression. And lesson number 5, use logic software. Means multimedia logic software. I hope to teach you about logic software in near future. Sixth one, integrated circuit. And the last one, practical usage of logic gates. Okay, my loving students, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and set all notification. See you again next day. Goodbye.